My hair looks fucking stupid. Wait. I actually fucking broke on my head. That's hilarious. Perfect. Right, no stato? Okay, you're gonna fucking knock over everything, and I'm just waiting for you to do it. I see an ant. Fuck off, ants. Why can't you kill Bug? Hmm? Alright, there's... Lily, there's so much liquid around, and you're just gonna knock it all over. Cat. Lily, oh my god! She literally ran up here. She literally ran up here just to sit in her favorite spot. Just sit in her favorite spot. You're such a dork. You're such a little dork, you know that? That didn't kill me, that's awesome. But you know what, we're not doing that. We're doing this the way it was meant to do. This mission, I love coming back to, like, so I've already played this game, but it came out in full release, so that's why I want to come back and play it again. Doing this mission and just setting the whole house on fire is fucking amazing. It's like, weirdly fun. I'm not a dangerous person, I'm not a pyromaniac, I swear, but I will light your house on fire just to watch it burn. Burn! Yes! Burn! Burn fire! Yes! No, why'd you go out? No, no, don't go out, don't go out, burn. Yes. No, yes! Yes! Burn. Alright, what is keeping this... Oh, wait, what is keeping this place up? Oh my god! A single panel of glass. A singular panel of glass is keeping this entire thing up. This little tiny piece of glass. This is why I fucking love this game. That little piece of glass is keeping up the entire fucking building. Alright. I'm not dangerous, I swear. I'm not allowed in 3 states. Don't ignore that. Ignore the fact I'm not allowed back in California. Had nothing to do with starting fires. California's already on fire. How can you start fires in California if it's already on fire? It doesn't make sense. It does not make any sense. See, it's better. It's fucking better. Don't deny. This looks better than it did. This looks better. This is an improvement. I only improve things. This is an improvement. Look at that. Look, it's so much better. Look, it's just on fire. Burn. Has been made better? I'm not a maid. I wonder how I'd look in a maid outfit. Probably pretty good. You can't start fires in California. That's what I'm saying! You cannot start fires in California because it's already on fire. It's impossible. It's like drowning a fish. You can't drown a fish. You can't fire California. It's impossible. You can't do it. Oh. What the f... What the f... It's gone. It's actually gone. My fucking... This is all that's left of it. Jesus Christ! Okay, I literally have to like... That's amazing! What kind of fucking... How dense are these weights, brother? Yep. Safe. This is safe. This is fine. This is good. Nothing will happen. Okay, I can wail on this with a sledgehammer, but I throw this against the wall and yeah, it's fucking gone. What the fuck is this game? I love this game. I sent you a picture of my of most of my watch collection. Why is it most? Why not all? Why didn't you send me a picture of every individual watch strapped to your cock and balls? Why didn't you do that? Fuck that door. I'm not a dangerous person, I swear. Alright. This is what normal people do. Listen, I just take destroying the bathroom literally. So I have a ladder, or I have explosives. Ladder, explosives. This is what the correct fuck! Are you okay, Lily? Lily, are you okay? Oh my god, Lily, are you okay? I love you. Why are you trying to escape from me? I love you. I'm not a dangerous person, Lily. I love you. Come. I'm not a dangerous person. I'm not a dangerous person. I'm not a dangerous person. Let me into your house. I'm not a dangerous person. Let me into your house. I'm not a dangerous person. Let me into your house. I didn't check the ceiling. Is there anything in the ceiling? Wait. I didn't check the ceiling. Right? Fuck it. Is there anything up here? There is! Oh! Give me your things. Thank you for the kind donation. Tax-deductible college fund worth $400. I wish going to college was only $400. That'd be amazing. Alright. So this is what we're doing. We're going here, we're going here, we're gonna jump up. We're gonna fuck up that jump. We're gonna fuck up that jump again. Okay, good. This is how I wanted it to. Oh, I can do this! I got it. Beauty. Yeah, okay. Locomotive. Yeah. Alright. If you don't know what I'm doing, it's fine. Neither do the doctors. So, jump out there, fuck up the jump, because you're not gonna make that jump. Oh my god, that worked out so fucking well. Grab that. We go out here. No! Okay, grab that, then we go, then we get in the car, then we fucking leave. Okay, cool. If this doesn't work, I don't know. It doesn't work, I'll be sad. Oop. Yep, I fucked up the jump, I knew I would. But it's fine. I set up a plan B. Oh. Can I just... I can't. That's fine. Got it. And we're gone. I'm really glad our van is indestructible. I'm really glad our van is just fucking indestructible. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's up there now. That's just probably a better place for it. Oh. Alright, I was in the wrong bathroom. We're good now. I really wish this toilet was on this side, so you just stare at the other person. It's just like you're just in one of the bathroom stalls. Fuck. You're just in one of the bathroom stalls, and all you see is hey man, how's it going in there? You doing good? I borrow some of that TP, bruh. Kind of clogged up back here. And he just goes back. I would. I've seen shit like that where like I've seen poorly designed bathrooms like that where they're just like you can just literally see the person next to you. I would shit myself. I would shit myself before I went into one of those. I would absolutely just fucking like these pants for $50. No, it's not. It's worth ruining these pants. Oh, wait, no, it's the fucking Harry Potter stairs. It's Harry Potter stairs. I fucking knew it. Fucking Harry Potter stairs. I knew it. Dude, seriously, since Harry Potter came out, every time I'm in a building that has stairs, I want to see if I can get underneath the stairs. I don't know why. Something's wrong with my brain. Ooh, fucking gimme. What the fuck? Jesus Christ! Yeah, this is still drivable. Yeah, this is still drivable. 100%. Yeah. Yeah, this is still drivable. Yeah, this thing's fucking almost dead. Yo. Okay. Hell yeah. Fuck. Okay, that's fine. I don't know why, but like, if, like, in this game, the one thing I remember about this game is everything is hidden in the attic. Like, fucking everything is hidden in the attic. Absolutely fucking everything is. Don't ask me why. It's just a thing that happens. Who put a building around the safe? I'll find them. All right, there we go. Yeah, it worked. Why did that work? That shouldn't have worked, but it worked. All right, let's sure. This is so dumb. I love it. Come on. Shit. Okay. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Come on. What the fuck is happening? Okay. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. I believe. Believe. Okay. Maybe not believe that much. Got it. Hey, come on. Just don't. Okay. Yeah. And now the other one. There we go. Good. Designer Life Vest, $60? Jesus Christ. Alright. It's being held by one. Wait, I haven't cut it. Get rid of all. Yeah, get rid of all this. Get rid of all of this. Yep, there it goes. Kind of. What the fuck? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck? Hold on, wait. It's so fucked. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Oh, Lord. Kumbaya. I'm not a dangerous person. I'm not, I swear. There's it fucking worked! Why did that work? Okay. Alright. I was really hoping to bring it with me. I was really fucking hoping to bring it with me.